Hello and welcome back to Join and Coin. Today we take a look again at the Vechain chart. We had a green day yesterday and today. That's very good to see. On the daily chart, stock RSI pointing on a bullish continuation, and also the MACD is potentially crossing here and starting to bullish territory. Also in this RSI, we have enough room to the upside. So we could be ready for further upward moves here in the Vechain chart in the shorter time. So as I said in the last video, first we have to come to the 0.7 cent mark, and then we can take a look further. So my target still remains the 10-cent area about for this move. Okay, but today what I was trying to take a look at is what we all want to know is, assuming we have a bull market, so where is Vechain going in this bull market? So as we said, I think that we are for Vechain in a Elliott wave, 5 waves phase, and we are expecting here a 5th wave higher. So if we say that the first wave was this movement here, how can we find out about Fibonacci retracement and what Vechain did in this phase? So we had this high on around the February in 2020, and then we came back in the March 2020, the COVID crash. So our first target was the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so let's take a look at the second one. We had a local top here. Then we came to the 3.618 Fibonacci level and had our all-time high around 28 cents in April 1 year ago. Okay. So we know that the first wave hit the 1.618 and the second wave hit the 3.618. So assuming that we have found our bottom here around in February this year, with the 3.618, it would be 46 US dollars. The 2.618, $6.5, and the 1.618 at 92 cents. So assuming the first wave were about the 1.618, we could reach a target of 92 cents. I would say you would agree that it sounds reasonable to reach for this 5th way up. The 2.618, if we say the last wave, the 5th wave of Elliott waves is longer than the first and not as long as the third wave. And the third wave was the 3.618 and the first the 1.618. Maybe we could target the $6.5. I think this is a quite big number. You would agree that I don't necessarily think that we reach this level in this bull market, although I would be very happy to reach this. All right, so this is what the Fibonacci is telling us for this bull cycle. So we can use the Fibonacci retracement levels to find out possible price discovery levels where we can top out. But yeah, as I said, the $6.5, it's possible, but there is the point with the market cap, and yeah, I know some people will say, no, this can't be, this market cap is too big. Okay, but let's talk about a bit more about Fibonacci's. There's another way to use the Fibonacci levels. Sometimes I use the Fib levels on the log scale without the log scale. It also gives me information. So what I want to show you is this. So let's take a look what would be here the target. The 2.618, we can say it was the top of the first wave. If we take the second one, so we were clearly overshooting the 4.236 level. 4.236 level is a level which is very often hit in markets. So I can show you here the Ethereum chart, and if you take a look at the 2017 bull run, we put here our Fibonacci's, and you can see we nailed the 4.236 level. So let's go back to the Vechain chart. So on the first one, we were hitting the 2.618, and the second one we overshoot the 4.236 levels. But what about our current bull run, what we all are interested about? So the first one hit the 2.618. All right, this would be 68 cents. The second one, or the third wave, I have to say, with the all-time high, overshooted the 4.236. But yeah, we will have to analyze if we are assuming we are getting here, we're getting a bull run. This is one thing I will watch closely, because if we see any significance on the logarithmic seconds, then we could possibly find out what will be our top here. So maybe we hit the 4.236, and yeah, that's what I wanted to say. You can see it has some significance if I use these settings. Definitely, if you look at the 0.236 level, and also if you look here on the 0.618. So we will take a closer look if the time is coming in the next weeks. But if it holds some significance, especially the 1.618 at 43, we will use this measurement tool on this channel. All right, so this is a short update also about the Vechain, where I think it is possible to go in the next or in the last phase of the bull run. And at the time now, we are just waiting and hanging around here and waiting for a potential fifth upward move of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. And I just wanted to give you an outlook about where we could be hitting in the next days and weeks for Vechain. All right. But we will also discuss about other tools, but I wanted to make this video short. I hope you all had a wonderful day. I have to say I'm not a financial advisor. Of course, this is not a financial advice. If you like this video, I would be happy if you hit the notification bell, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I see you in the next one. Bye.